wearing gray sweater, jeans. Suspect refusing to leave. PR did not acknowledge what apartment. PR disconnected the line. Upon additional callback, received voicemail. West 141.
Fuck. You good?
Yeah, dude.
Fuck. You good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. We're good. I'm gonna check on him. You're good?
Yeah.
You're good? He's good? Adam 39, let me get an RA on Cleon and Saticoy for a male approximately 55 years of age, unconscious, not breathing, from TC accident. Let me also get another 2 for us officers.